Imagine a Mercedes-Maybach so enormous that a normal luxury limousine suddenly looks like a compact sedan. 6 wheels, an impossibly long body, Maybach-level luxury, and enough road presence to make everything around it disappear. This is the idea behind the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach Limousine 6x6. And if Mercedes ever turns a machine like this into reality, it could be one of the wildest luxury vehicles we've ever seen. Welcome back to Noir Velocity. First, an important note. The 2027 Mercedes-Maybach 6x6 shown in this video is a futuristic concept-style interpretation, not a confirmed Mercedes-Benz production model with official 6x6 specifications. Mercedes-Benz has confirmed other 2027 Maybach products, including the updated Maybach S-Class and the upcoming Maybach VLS Grand Limousine, but an official production Maybach 6x6 has not been announced. Now imagine what this machine could look like. The front would have to be unmistakably Maybach, an enormous signature grille, a sculpted hood, razor-sharp LED lighting, and an elegant hood ornament. But underneath that classic luxury face would be something completely different. The body stretches dramatically toward the rear, with 3 axles, 6 enormous wheels, and a stance that looks closer to a luxury land yacht than a conventional limousine. The proportions are what make this concept so fascinating. A normal limousine tries to look elegant. This thing would look dominant. The long roofline, dark privacy glass, chrome detailing, huge wheels, and muscular bodywork would create an almost surreal presence. It wouldn't simply arrive somewhere, it would become the event. And then we get to performance, where things become even more interesting. Mercedes-Benz's current Maybach S680 uses a 6.0-liter V12, producing 612 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque, with 4 MATIC all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Mercedes quotes 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds for that limousine. A 6-wheel Maybach would obviously require a completely different chassis and drivetrain, especially because of the additional axle and massive increase in size and weight. So there is no official 0 to 100 figure or engine specification for this imagined 6x6. But if Mercedes decided to combine its V12 heritage with an advanced 6-wheel drivetrain, the result could be brutally quick for something this enormous. And forget about an ordinary exhaust note. A machine inspired by the Maybach V12 would be about deep, effortless power rather than screaming high-rev drama. Imagine pressing the accelerator and hearing a sophisticated V12 growl underneath an enormous luxury cabin while the 6-wheel chassis simply surges forward. That's the kind of experience that would make this vehicle unforgettable. But here's where Maybach really matters: the interior. Step inside and the exterior madness would disappear behind a private luxury lounge. Think individual executive rear seats, soft premium leather, intricate stitching, polished metal, natural wood or high-gloss trim, ambient lighting, and an atmosphere designed to make a long journey feel ridiculously effortless. The driver wouldn't be forgotten either. A digital instrument cluster, large central infotainment display, premium steering wheel, advanced navigation, and a sophisticated cockpit would put modern technology directly in front of the driver. And behind that cockpit, the rear passengers could have an entirely different experience: reclining executive seats, entertainment screens, climate controls, and a cabin designed more like a private jet than a traditional automobile. That's already where Mercedes-Maybach is heading with the upcoming VLS Grand Limousine. Mercedes describes the VLS as a future Grand Limousine focused heavily on rear seat comfort, a private lounge experience, craftsmanship, and digital innovation. Safety would also have to be a major part of the equation. A vehicle this large would need advanced cameras, sensors, adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, automated emergency braking, and sophisticated parking technology to make maneuvering through tight urban spaces less intimidating. Mercedes already offers extensive driver assistance technology across its luxury lineup, and a future 6-wheel Maybach would almost certainly need even more sophisticated systems. Technology would be everywhere: large digital displays, connected services, premium audio, smartphone integration, over-the-air software updates, and intelligent cabin controls could transform the interior into a rolling command center. And because this is Maybach, the goal wouldn't simply be to add technology, it would be to hide the complexity behind an effortless experience. Then comes the question everyone is waiting for: price. There is currently no official MSRP for a 2027 Mercedes-Maybach 6x6 because Mercedes hasn't announced such a production model, and that's important to understand. But if a vehicle like this were ever produced as an ultra-limited bespoke Maybach, the price would almost certainly sit dramatically above the regular Maybach S-Class and could enter a territory where exclusivity matters more than conventional value. And that's exactly the point. You wouldn't buy a six-wheel Maybach because it's the cheapest way to travel. You wouldn't buy it because it's the easiest car to park. You'd buy it because nothing else looks or feels quite like it. So is the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach Limousine 6x6 the future of luxury? As a concept, absolutely fascinating. As a confirmed production car, it's still speculation. But the direction Mercedes is taking with its next-generation Maybach lineup, especially the S-Class and VLS Grand Limousine, shows that the brand isn't afraid to push further into ultra-exclusive luxury. And honestly, that's what makes this idea so exciting. 6 wheels, enormous proportions, Maybach craftsmanship, and serious performance would create something completely different from the usual luxury sedan or SUV. It wouldn't just be transportation, it would be a statement. This is Noir Velocity. If you enjoyed this look at one of the craziest Maybach concepts imaginable, hit like, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications for more futuristic and luxury car content. And now I want to know, if Mercedes actually built this 6x6 Maybach, would you buy it, or is 6 wheels simply too much luxury?